Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to change PowerPoint color into black and white. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just opened PowerPoint presentation. I would like to change a color to black and white. What I have to do here? So I just browse some image. So this kind of kid image I have copy and paste in PowerPoint presentation. Now I would like to make this image into black and white. So how to make a color and black and white image? So I just drag and drop the images so that the image will be filled in my slide. So now again I just copy the same image, again I paste this image on top. So I've pasted the image, so I just adjust this image. So now I would like to make this image as a black and white. What I have to do here, just double click on that image. The picture format will be open here on the top menu. So here there will be a color option. Once you select the color option, there will be a different kind of colors will be available. Just choose a saturation is 0, that is black and white. So I have chosen black and white color, but behind that is a color option is there. On top is in black and white. So how to make black and white as well as the color in the same image? So just go to crop on the top of the picture format, and while you select the crop and just go to crop to shape. Once you select the crop to shape, just choose different kind of shape, right to triangle. So once I select the right to triangle or any other shape format, automatically the color will be there and the black and white will be there, because the black and white will be inside the post and behind that color will be there. So I can make it a different kind of options to be shape. The black and white will be there. So the individual image will be in black color and another image background is in color image, so that I can make a black and white as well as the color image in PowerPoint presentation. While I show some slides, it will be look like a model and it will be look like a Photoshop image, but I have created in PowerPoint presentation. This is a beautiful option. So while you want to create some black and white format in your PowerPoint presentation, or you want to entire presentation will be in black and white grayscale mode, just go to view menu on top, just click a view menu and there will be a grayscale option. Once you select the grayscale option, the entire slides will be in grayscale model. Just back to color view, the color view will be displayed over here. So this is a beautiful tip. You can get your color theme and black and white theme using your PowerPoint presentation. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.